Jeremy got, I'm pretty sure it's a mallard, and I think I just got 2 mallards. I didn't have the camera on just because of the light that it puts off. You can't really see a whole lot anyway, but it's a real rainy. Jeremy's out there with Cody getting the birds. 3, 4, 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes into shooting. They mallards or widgeon? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off just because it's too dark to really see anything, and it's raining a lot. So. Dead. Cody, come on. Hey, Cody. Nice. Playing catch up. Go get him. Get him. Get him. Go get him. Come on. Out the back. Go get him. Oh, Jesus. God. That was good. Oh, right at us. Right at us. Nope. I thought they were. Nice, dude. Damn, Cody. Smash. Nice pintail. Is it? I think so.
Hey, go get him. Go get him.
Come on, go.
Oh, it just dove.
Did it?
I thought that thing was folded up there.
Dude, it was. You clapped it.
Alright, let me out.
There it is. It's dead, dude.
Dude, check out this duck.
Oh, nice, dude.
I've never seen one like that.
That is sweet. It's almost like a blonde.
Right?
Yeah. Dude, you're gonna have to get this one mounted in that farm duck. That's a sweet bird, dude.
Right?
Look how light colored that is. But it's not
Picked up to the right.
but it's not even like
Walked up right up. Walked up right up.
get him.
Get out. Damn.
The color on this thing matches Jeremy's mustache.
It's a ginger duck.
Ginger mallard. Well, we've got one limit of birds between us. We got 6 widgeon and this really odd hen mallard. It's a very cool looking bird, so we're pretty happy with that. Jeremy shot it. Jeremy shoots a lot of pretty cool birds. You know, I mean, I do too. I shoot a lot of cool birds. You know, a lot of like, hen buffies and spoonies, things like that. You know, mergansers. We got out and grassed the blind up a lot more. We gave ourselves quite a bit more backdrop. And hopefully that's going to work. We had birds working us when we were amending things, but it just kind of stopped. But I think it's right about low tide right now. There's a handful of birds moving around, but hopefully we'll get back into them here soon, finish up, and be nice to leave with another 14 birds today. We've got about 5 dozen birds out. I'm running the final approach. What are they? Last pass mallards. The really cheap ones. They're small, very packable, lightweight, and then a dozen teal final approach decoys, and then a bunch of my old random widgeon decoys, different brands. Some Higdon, Cabela's, Greenhead gear, and then we've got a bunch of Higdon mallard and pintail decoys. So, big mix mash here. Got it. Barely. Huh?
There's a deer track over there.
Oh yeah? There's those white tails out here. Well, sorry you had to go get that. I didn't. Oh, right up front, right up front.
You hit him.
Yeah. Go get him.
Cody. Cody. Check.
Come on.
Hey. On the right.
Oh, right here, right here. Oh, right. Nice shot.
Thank you.
Oh God, look at this. Got him coming all directions. Right out front.
Are you serious?
Right there, right there, right there. Ready? Nice!
Yeah, dude. That little that was the coolest shot I've ever done.
Yeah. Dude, simultaneously just piled them up. That was great. Couldn't ask for a better, just perfect right to left
Come on, Cody.
shot, too. You gonna let him out the back, or? All right, come on. Go get him. Go get him.
What are you doing? A double? You got a double?
Nice. Nice. Good boy. Oh, right at us. Right at us, right up front, right up front.
Really?
Oh, really?
There's the shit out of him. I know that one.
I think it's
Oh, fuck you.
another one.
God, imagine it's gonna start. I'll just do it like that.
There you go. Look at the feathers. We are done.
Dude, that bird.